Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Now today we're doing an update video on the 10.2-inch iPad. This is the basic one that goes for $329, has 32 gigabytes of storage. Now you can actually find this, I've almost seen them constantly on sale, maybe at Best Buy for like $250 for this, and maybe about $350 for the 128 gigabyte storage option. For me, I have a ton of videos, I have a ton of photography, photos. I use up like the storage wherever my iPhone is. That one has 512 gigabytes. I use all of it. So when I got this one, I kind of thought, you know, maybe it wouldn't be enough space, but this is fine. Everything is stored on my iCloud, so if I have something that I've shot a raw photo of, I can just pull it up on this right after I download everything from the camera onto my iPhone. I'm still perfectly fine photo editing and editing videos on an iPhone of any kind, but this is just something that has a bigger screen. This is something where I can use Netflix. It is just perfectly simple. So if you're thinking, oh, do you need more storage? If somebody is I don't know, somebody who uses that so much space as much as I do is fine with this, I would say you're fine too. But for what, $350 for 128 gigabytes, that's a steal. I would say get it. I did buy this when it was not on sale, so I lost a little bit, but hey, I'm still happy with this at $329. So for the apps that I have here constantly, let's see, what do I have here that's not stock? I have ESPN, I have Facebook, I have a quick link to my Instagram, I have Google Maps, I have Google Photos because I do use that as another storage option for my photos. I have the Kindle app, I have Facebook Messenger, and let's see, what else? Oh, of course, YouTube and YouTube Studio. There's Paper, that's how you can do like little designs. And then I have a lot of streaming services. Hulu, the NBA app, Netflix, TBS, TNT, Apple TV, well that's built in, iHeartRadio, NFL, Disney Plus, HBO Go, Prime Video, Fox Sports Go, and then Fios TV. For me, I like to watch a lot of sporting events, including basketball and football, and sometimes in a pinch when I'm not watching on TV here, I just pull it up on the iPad, and it just works out fine. It's just something that's a little bit bigger, that you can maybe connect to a Bluetooth speaker, because the speakers on here, they're pretty good. They're not just like out of control great. I'm fine with this. Battery life is great. This, for me, I have a fast charger, so I can just charge this up pretty quickly. I am perfectly happy with this. I have never seen it slow down. When I'm trying to edit a video on iMovie, I use VSCO for my photo editing. That has been perfectly fine. And yes, it is good to see photos in a larger screen here than on my phone. Because when I do it on the phone, I do a lot of Instagram posts, but if I need to print something out, again, it's really good to have something this big. And for, again, $329, I was so happy when they increased the size from 9.7 to 10.2. Like, it's just great, and it's just a great all-around deal. As you can see here, the only protection that I have is the standard Apple felt-backed, what do you call it, this case, front cover for this, because literally it just protects the front of the screen, and if I just fold it down here, I can either watch something or I can type. This is all I need, and I believe I got this at Best Buy for $40, which I think is fine. But yeah, if you have any questions about my usage of the 10.2-inch iPad, again, I've had it for a few months, and I'm very happy with this. Yeah, put in the comment section below. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. And if you have, again, any questions about this, comment section below. If you could like the video, that would help so much. And then subscribe to the channel, because I'm making videos every single day. So if you enjoy this, there'll be many more out there from so many different types of products and experiences. Alright guys, thank you again for watching. This has been Matt, and we've been taking a look at the 10.2-inch iPad. This is an experience review a few months later. Alright guys, See ya.